चाहिए बाबू पूछता है लंबी नहीं एंड दिलीप सर इज ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग एल्स देन दैट ये जिंदगी लंबी भी कर रहे हैं और अच्छी भी कर रहे हैं तो बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हिम एंड आई वाज जस्ट टॉकिंग टू हिम कि what Dilip sir was working on till now was individuals. He was working on the hearts, minds and the hands of people trying to bring joy and long life for them. What now he is doing, he has moved down to the society level whereby he is trying to improve the soil, land and the air which we are having. So he has taken a big step ahead and a big round of applause for him to promoting such a big initiative. And it is very kind of him. I have only been associated with him for barely a month, but he treats me like his child, which is and he does this with everyone, which is very kind and very noble of him. Everyone who connects with him becomes a part of his enlarged family. So it is very kind of him to do so, to have such a good initiative, and we will wholeheartedly support him in this initiative. That is our promise, sir. And anything which is needed from him, we are just a call away. Dilip Patil sir and Dinesh sir and the rest of the guests here. So I'll just hand over the mic to Harish sir.
Thank you, Prashant sir. Thank you, Patil sir. Thank you, Bidwi sir. Thank you, Bhagat sir. And my friends, it was really wonderful. Whatever has to be told has been told by all of them. I would just want to say that, and we all have to come together, fulfill this. Life is very important, and we are running behind money, which is required the last thing. When I started this, somebody told me that this is a very, very difficult job because the lobby is very powerful. But I started with him. It's his job. Air, water and food is his gift to us. How can we be weak? And who can be stronger than us? So let's all come together. Pool in our resources. Whatever time. It's not just money. It's not, I say 24 hours of our life is the biggest gift that we can have. If we invest that thing, 1 hour every day. Somebody came to me the other day. So I asked her, what you can do? She said, what I can do? I am such a weak person. I said, take one candle and sit in one corner. Somewhere, sit in one corner and take a board that I need organic food or I need natural food. This is my requirement. This is my birthright. Today, one person will sit. Tomorrow, 50 will be there. Tomorrow, 500 will be there. I started alone. But today, so many people are connecting with me. So let's all come together. Our education, our power, our students, everything. Let's pull it together to bring a change. If we don't do this now, our next generation will not survive. I celebrated Diwali with 700 cancer patient children below 10 years. It was so heartening that next year we can't be lying down, we can't be sleepy. We know everything, we know there is a problem, but we are not doing anything about it. So I request Bidwi sir, Patil sir and all of you all. You all have got so much power, so much students, so much support. Let's use it, let's get together, because until unless we come together, until unless we make a noise, we are awakened, then only authorities will be awakened. Otherwise, nobody will be awakened. So let's pull in our powers, let's pull in our resources together. Today, children are ready to do, they just need to be guided. They are ready to do any kind of work, students are ready to do. That day I invited about 300 volunteers to manage my 10,000 crowd, and the way they worked, I was so happy. So children, they want to do good work, they just need to be guided. So today, this is the primary thing, that food, air and water has to be clean. It has to be what it was 40 years back. I don't want it to be called organic food. What our parents ate, it was never organic. Then why we should call it organic and make it not reachable to the common man? Let it be grown naturally. Somebody told me that the production will be less. I said, एक टाइम का खाना दो, 2 टाइम नहीं चाहिए लेकिन जहर डाल के मत दो. So and second thing is that, as all of them said, farmer's life is in a pathetic condition. We have to bridge a society and the farmer together. We have to build their life also. We are disassociated with them. I went to some farmers in Kamshed and I saw their life. So much of difficulty. Anna Devta aaj itne taklif mein. How can we live happily? So we have to connect them. That is my second work. That is the bridge which we have to create. So 2 things has to happen. One thing, air, water and food has to be clean. And second thing, farmer's life. So a win-win situation for everybody. It's not just that we have to have a good life. They also need a good life. So it has to be communicated. It has to be bridged very nicely. So this tears were of happiness, not of sadness. So I am happy that we all are getting together. God is putting us together to build this idea and to bring a change in people's life. Let's come together, friends. That's all. Thank you so much.
I am Mahesh Bhagwat. I am Associate Professor and Head of the Political Science Department in Mithibai College. Organic food today is a need of our life. Mr. Harish Shetty has started the campaign, the mission, and I request all of you to join this mission, because if we do not have organic food, if we do not help our farmers grow our organic food and help them in selling it at a good price so that they also will survive, I really don't think that our future generations will have a good time. So we all should join this movement for organic food, not only growing organic food, but it's good pricing, it's good marketing, it's good reach and a good connect between the consumers of organic food and the farmers. Today farmers are compelled to grow food by using pesticides and fertilizers, but if we support them because we have the capacity and knowledge, then farmers will stop using pesticides and fertilizers and they will start growing organic food, and we all will be happy and will have a very healthy life. Thank you.
Hi, I am Prashant. I am in the field of aviation basically, and have been involved with Harish sir since only a month. But the kind of energy he has, the kind of drive he has to make life of the people better, to bring about broad-based change, that's simply phenomenal. And the program which was held today, it is really kind of him to have this program to help like-minded people connect, and I wish him my very best. And from next time onwards, whenever he has such kind of programs, I'll make it a point to be a part, whatever small initiative which we can take on his behalf, we'll be happy to help him, and under his blessings would definitely work in the direction he is guiding us to. Thank you.
मी गौरेश दिलीप पाटील साठे कॉलेजचा, आणि वरनं मी NCC करतो, एअरविक NCC. आणि आज मी इथे आलोय जे ऑर्गॅनिक फूडवरती. हे असं आहे की इथे खूप लोकांना एक्सपिरियन्स मिळतील आणि एका हेल्दी वेवरती तुम्हाला जाता येईल. इथे खूप लोकांनी पार्टिसिपेट करा या ह्याच्यात. हे सगळ्यांसाठी हेल्दी आणि गुड आहे. सगळं आपण बोलतो ना, होश आहे तो जोश आहे.
I am Professor B.S. Bidve, NSS Program Coordinator, University of Mumbai. Today we gathered under the Amba Gopal Foundation for a small function. Today there is a need of such Amba Gopal foundations to repair our damage. Today we are having everywhere water pollution, land pollution, soil pollution, and because of that there is a impact of these poisonous things in our inner body. And so therefore now today there should be thousands of Amba Gopal foundations they have to start the host programs, and where we can recover the damage which we have made under the name of the economic development. So Mr. Harish Shetty and his son Suraj, they have taken the lead, and there is a need to support to such foundations for such noble cause. So on behalf of University of Mumbai and NSSL, I support this, I can say, the movement which is run by this Amba Gopal Foundation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
माझं नाव संदीप सुरेश खांडेकर, प्राध्यापक विद्यालंकार स्कूल ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी. मी DLEDच्या माध्यमातून या अंबा गोपाल फाउंडेशनशी आज माझी एक ओळख अशी झालेली आहे. अंबा गोपाल फाउंडेशनचे जे संस्थापक आहेत हरीश शेट्टी, त्यांनी ज्या पद्धतीने हे कार्य चालू केलेलं आहे ते अत्यंत चांगलं आहे. आणि आपण जर आता सरांनी हरीश शेट्टी सरांच्या त्यांनी जे सांगितलेलं आहे की ऑर्गॅनिक फूडचा आपण वापर करा, आणि मी स्वतः वॉकथॉन जी अरेंज केलेली होती, होश वॉकथॉन, त्या होश वॉकथॉनची जो मेन थीम होती ती हीच होती की तिथे येणारे जे कॅन्सर पेशंट्स होते त्यांच्यासाठी ही होश वॉकथॉन करण्यात आलेली होती. आणि या होश वॉकथॉनमध्ये मला असं दिसून आलं की तिथे कितीतरी कॅन्सर पेशंट्स आहेत, त्यांचं कॅन्सर होण्याचं रिझन हे ऑर्गॅनिक फूड हे होतं. आणि कॅन्सर होण्याचं रिझन हे ते जे फूड आपण इंटेक करतो ते होतं. आणि फार लहान लहान मुलं होती आणि फार डोळ्यामध्ये माझ्या फार कसं वाटलं. माझी पण एक स्टुडंट आहे, तिला पण असाच कॅन्सर झालेला आहे. माइट बी तिचं रिझन हे आपण जे फूड आता जे खातोय, ज्याच्यामध्ये पेस्टिसाइड्स आणि इन्सेक्टिसाइड जे फूड आपण जे खातोय त्या फूडमुळे ते होण्याची शक्यता नाकारता येत नाही आहे. आणि जर आपण आपला जो मनावर आता ताबा न ठेवला नाही आणि जर हे ऑर्गॅनिक फूडच्या जवळपास आपण गेलो नाही तर आपली जी येणारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये कॅन्सर हे आणि ही तर जे असाध्य रोग आहेत ह्यांनी ती पछाडलेली असेल. आणि ह्याचं थांबवणं आपण कुठेतरी केलं पाहिजे असं मला तरी वाटतं. आणि हरीश शेट्टी अंबा गोपाल फाउंडेशनच्या माध्यमातून अत्यंत चांगले काम करत आहेत. मी याचा एक छोटासा म्हणजे पार्ट होण्याचा आम्ही प्रयत्न करतोय. माझं कॉलेज हे आम्ही अंबा गोपाल फाउंडेशनशी एक आम्हाला एक त्यांचं एक जर काम करायला आमची जी माझ्या मागे जी विद्यार्थी सेना आहे, माझे जे विद्यार्थी आहेत ते ह्या अंबा गोपाल फाउंडेशन थ्रू हे जे ऑर्गॅनिक फूडचा जो प्रसार आहे त्याच्यावर आम्ही इतरांना पण सांगण्याचा आम्ही इच्छितो. आणि हेच मी सगळ्यांना सांगतो की ऑल द बेस्ट, जे काम करताय असंच काम करा आणि अशाच पद्धतीने लोक एकमेकांनी जोडा, विद्यार्थी जोडा आणि जेणेकरून हे ऑर्गॅनिक फूड जे आहे ते सगळीकडे पसरवा. थँक्यू.